honorable dignitaries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am very delighted to be invited to participate in the grand opening celebration and a ribbon cutting ceremony of the Hmong College Prep Academy in St. Paul, Minnesota. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to Mr. Pao Yang and Dr. Christiana Hang, the superintendent of this educational institution, for inviting me to join all of you in this great and memorable event. This ceremony is, indeed, an opportunity for parents, educators, and local authorities to show their interest, care, and support to the education of our Caucasians and African American students, Hmong and Asian American students, in brief, immigrant students of diverse ethnic and cultural background. Because many of you have never met me before, I take the liberty of introducing myself. My name is Yang Dao. I am a Hmong from the remote mountains of Laos, a small country which is located in Southeast Asia. I grew up in a Hmong village without electricity and road. My father, many of you know him. My father was probably one of the first Hmong teachers in 1936, in a French Indochina, composed with Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. He always valued education highly and sent me to a Laos small city in the valley for my education. With perseverance, courage, and determination, I finished my elementary and high school education in Laos. And in 1962, I went to France to pursue my education. Thanks to the support of the French government and the United Nations Education and Science Organization called UNESCO, which successfully, excuse me my French accent, which successively gave me 2 generous scholarships. I was able to finish my bachelor degree and my master degrees, and finally to achieve my PhD degree in social science in May 1972 at the University of Paris, France. In July 1972, I informed my social science in May 1972 years. So in 1972, in the height of the Second War of Laos, which was the extension of the Vietnam War, I decided to go back to Laos to serve my country. Due to the international political circumstances, in May 1975, my family and I were forced to leave Laos to take the road of exile, like 10,000, 100,000 people from the refugee camp in Thailand to France and to the United States of America. As a Hmong educator and scholar, I came here today to support Hmong College Prep Academy, the mission of which is to provide the best integrated, challenging, a well-rounded educational experience to students in grade kindergarten through 12. This educational institution is dedicated to academic excellence and to the promotion of Hmong and world languages and culture. Our students who are descendants of refugees and immigrants coming from diverse countries and in different periods of time should be able to identify themselves as Caucasian Americans, Asian Americans, and African Americans in this multicultural American society, which from now on, they all belong to. Their driving force will come from their knowledge on the history and cultures of their own ethnic groups, and on the other hand, from the ability of adjusting themselves into this new socio-cultural environment in America without denying their own ethnic entity, which is with its moral and human values. By appreciating each other's cultures and traditions, and by learning from each other's experiences, the students will be able to become more productive citizens with a greater sense of responsibilities and mutual respect, working together for peace, social justice, and economic progress in these great nations of hospitality and opportunities, the United States of America. To conclude, I would like to express one more time my sincere appreciation to each and every one of you for your dedication and support to the students and staff of Hmong College Prep Academy. Now, I would like to ask all American friends the permission to say a few words in the Hmong language. Hãy cho nhiều tí cho cứ cho tí cho nên cho trả thế cho tu chân sai cần đó và là chỉ tôi lòng thứ hai là bây giờ ít chân ít hai ninh nhất tí cho là cho tận không có bị trúng bây giờ lâu nó biết một kiện đó bây một cái trên bao chín nông là một trò chỉ cần bây xí cho ta cho thế cờ thế một cờ tôn đó rồi tìm lọt đó là một cả tôi nọ chứ nên nên gì cho nên bộ tế chậm lọ là trung thả hãng rồi tìm in nông cho nên tôi sư tôi trở thành cho mình cả nó là mà cô xã cần đi cho mình nhiều nên là nó tôi sẽ cần được tiền ta chào một lúa lại chỉ này lúc chơi lúc nhiều là cần nó cần đó cờ cờ tàu high school diplomata mua cần gì vậy bachelor degree mua cả cho master degree mua cả cho PhD degree tàu bây giờ nhiều cần có tích cực tàu PhD nên cho mình tôi nhiều sĩ cho cờ chơi cả tàu bachelor degree giờ nó nên tôi sẽ tích chơi nó là tích chơi bản này bố chắc bây giờ luôn hiện cho nên ta linh chế giờ nên mua lúa ta linh chế mua ta đâu ta bố chơi giờ nên luôn nên cái gì ta tích chơi nó nên thì hai giờ cho bản này nó nên cho mình nhiều cho xem lâu nên cho sĩ bước hiện đại nó nên chỉ luôn nó không cho luôn bây giờ họ là bây giờ thế này cho sẽ cái đó mà ok cô cho lên đó